if you want to get this quick brightening skin, let me just see. Let's start from the foundation. When we say foundation, your body scrub and your body soap is the first thing in your skincare. I use the CAPCUT body scrub. This is a brightening body scrub which includes AHA and BHA active ingredients. So this body scrub brightening the skin. So if you want to brighten your skin, start with your body scrub. Get body scrub that can brightening your skin. Yes, get the school spa, get the CAPCUT, and there are lots. The Dr. Teal also, the vitamin C, the Dr. Teal product too. This is what I use and I saw changes, but you need to use it correctly. I have a video, I'll leave the link above, a video of how to use your body scrub correctly. So guys, let's now go to the second part, which is the bar soap. Yes, for the bar soap you need a brightening bar soap. You need a bar soap that includes brightening ingredients like vitamin C. When we talk about brightening bar soap, I have Ashanti here. You can use Ashanti, you can use extract. You need to get the the original extra soap. I think I'm going to make a video of how you can get the original soap rather than getting the fake extract soap. Get your hands on extract, Ashanti. They are brightening. You are going to see results in the next 14 days. You see results of this bar soap. I'm going to leave a product, the product that you can also use aside from these two products I just showed you. I've been using this is my product, and also I will leave a link of a video that I talked about my bar soap. The ingredients included in this bar soap, they are brightening ingredients. You don't want to have an uneven skin tone, get a brightening bar soap as well. You want to brighten your skin without bleaching. This bar soap, they are not bleaching soap, but they brightening your skin. If you want to make your skin more visible, get the Kojisan soap. If you want to get this quick brightening skin, let me just see, get Kojisan. But Kojisan is not really for dry and sensitive skin. You must use this body soap carefully, and this Kojisan soap is mainly for acne prone skin. It is so sensitive to the sunlight. You don't want to burn your skin when you are trying to brighten your skin. I hope you get it. So if you want to use it for your whole body, in this video I'm advising you that if you want to use it for your whole body, you need to get a body sunscreen. But if you are using it in the night, you don't need a sunscreen. You can use this in the night, in your nighttime routine, and you are going to get a maximum result. You're not going to use the whole bar soap on your skin. What you are going to do is just to put some of the bar soap on the area that you have dark spots, and you leave it for 60 seconds, then you wash it off. The third step here is your body lotion. You know, that is the main thing right now. To get your body lotion, I would say that you can invest in getting a proper body lotion, a brightening body lotion. I use two body lotion. I use the Nivea body lotion and the Lighten daily moisturizer. These are the two body lotion I use. You can get the small Lighten daily moisturizer, the small size, and you get this Nivea Radiant Beauty. If you have a dry and sensitive skin, go for this body lotion. I can say this with full chest. Let me show you how this body lotion is. If you have a dry skin, look at it. It's a moisturizing body lotion. Look at my skin right now, how moisturized it is. If you have a dry skin, you can go for this, but this body lotion is not a brightening body lotion. It's a moisturizing body lotion. It gives you that glowing skin. But if you want a brightening body lotion, you can get this is an exfoliating body lotion that can help you exfoliate your skin. I know that this Lighten daily moisturizer is all over the internet. It works magic when it comes to brightening. And if you know that, well, you can't afford it, get your Nivea body lotion, but I would advise that you get a smaller size of this, the small size, the Lighten small size, and use this. Why I use this too is because this is an exfoliating agent and this is a moisturizing agent. This is how I use it, like maximum of 3 times in a week, because it is an exfoliating ingredient and I use this. So this combo brightening the skin, yes, that is that for body lotion. You get. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, informative, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. My new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My name remains the same, Jane Michael. I would like to see you guys in my next video. Bye.